Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tondo Ala Yar, a place where the land speaks through its fruits, and the fruit is none other than the king of all, the mango. Located in the heart of Sindh, Tondo Ala Yar is one of Pakistan's finest mango-growing regions, known for its world-famous Sindri and Sunera mangoes, sweet, juicy, and aromatic. But the story doesn't end there. This fertile region also grows varieties like Langra, Duseri, White Chaunsa, and Anwar Ratol. Each mango here tells its own tale, enriched by the sun, soil, and the hard work of the farmers. Tondo Ala Yar's mangoes are not just delicious, they are legendary. These mangoes are exported around the world by air to the Middle East, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Oman, and Qatar, by sea in refrigerated containers to Gulf and European markets, by road to Iran, through land borders. On average, over 20,000 to 25,000 tons of mangoes are exported from Tondo Ala Yar every year. In Pakistan, you'll find Tondo Ala Yar mangoes in major fruit markets of Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, and more. The A-grade mangoes, spotless, uniform, premium quality, are meant for exports, while B-grade mangoes, often used for juices and local sales, are sent to the domestic market. Tondo Ala Yar is not just a town. It's a legacy of love, labor, and the land's natural blessing. Every mango that grows here carries a story of sweetness, heritage, and pride. So next time you taste a mango, remember, it might just be from the magical orchards of Tondo Ala Yar. Fakhar Online. Fruits with a story.